In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create blog categories in Wix. By the end, your blog will be neatly organized, easier to navigate, and ready for readers to find exactly what they're looking for. We'll go from setup to publish in a few clear steps. First, open your Wix editor. Log in, head to My Sites, and select the site that has your blog. Click Edit Site to launch the editor so we can adjust your blog structure and navigation in real time. Next, access the Blog Manager. In the left panel, open Content Manager, choose Blog, and click Manage Posts. This is your control center for posts, categories, and settings, and it's where most of today's work will happen. Now create your categories. In the Blog Manager, open Categories and click New Category. Name each one clearly. Things like tutorials, news, or reviews. Keep names short, distinct, and broad enough to cover future posts. A focused set of 3 to 6 categories is plenty for most blogs. With categories ready, assign them to your posts. When you create a new post or edit an existing one, choose the relevant category so content is grouped automatically. A post can belong to more than one category, but keep it intentional and consistent. Because this is a website tool, there's a link to Wix at the top of the description if you want to follow along. To help visitors browse by topic, display your categories on the blog page. In the editor, add a categories menu or a categories drop-down to your sidebar or header and place it near your blog feed. Label it clearly so readers can filter posts with a single click. Customize how each category looks. In your blog feed settings, switch between grid, list, or a featured layout. Grid suits image-heavy posts, list is great for longer reads, and featured layouts spotlight key articles. Tweak image ratios, text sizes, and posts per page for balance. Preview on desktop and mobile. Click through categories to confirm filters work, and make sure long category names don't wrap awkwardly. Check spacing, thumbnails, and buttons so everything feels clean and fast on smaller screens. When everything looks right, click Publish to push your organized blog live. Remember to republish after any future changes to categories or layouts. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching.